In a small coastal village next between the towering cliff and the rolling sea, there live a group of people who depend on the beautiful water for their livelihood. The river that ran through the village was their lifeline, providing them with the fresh fish and clean water for their crops. However, the villagers had become careless over the years and had started dumping their waste and debt onto the river, polluting its once pristine water. The sea goddess, who watched over the village from the watery domain, grew angry at the disrespect shown to the beloved river. She knew that she had to teach the villagers a lesson, to make them understand the consequences of their action, and so she decides to curse the village. One foggy morning, as the villagers woke up to go about their daily routine, they find themselves unable to move. It was as if an invisible force was holding them in the place, preventing them from going about their normal chores. Panic spread through the village like wildlife, and the villagers soon realized that we were under the sea goddess' curse. As they trembled in fear, a shimmering figure rose from the water of the river. It was the sea goddess herself. Her eyes flashing with the anger and determination, she spoke in a voice that boomed like thunder through the village.